Curtains for them. Understanding this idiomatic expression. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. Curtains for them. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and expressive English idioms can be. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what this phrase means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Curtains for them is an idiom that essentially means the end or finish of something, typically in a negative sense. It's often used to indicate that a person or thing is in a hopeless situation or is facing imminent failure or disaster. This phrase can be traced back to the world of theater, where the closing of curtains signifies the end of a performance. Similarly, in life, it can metaphorically signal the end of someone's performance or their current situation. To help you understand how to use curtains for them in everyday conversations, let's look at some examples. 1. In movies or books, when the hero discovered the villain's plan, it was curtains for them. 2. In sports commentary, with that final goal, it's curtains for the opposing team. 3. In business, after the merger, it was curtains for the old management team. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, being applicable in various contexts from entertainment to professional scenarios. There are several other idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. Some of them include, the end of the road, game over, that's all she wrote. Each of these phrases also indicates a final or concluding situation, often with a negative connotation. When learning idioms like curtains for them, it's important to practice in context. Try using the phrase in your own sentences or look for it in books, movies, and daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a key part of mastering the nuances of English. And that's a wrap on curtains for them. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and its usage. Remember, learning idioms is not just about understanding their literal meanings but also about getting a feel for how and when they are used. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.